In this video, we're going to download some parts and get a file set up so we can practice, get more practice on making assemblies in Autodesk Inventor, specifically using the mate and flush assembly constraints. So what we're going to do is build a real simple puzzle cube, and you're going to get these pieces individually, so 5 individual IPT files for these parts. They're already built for you, and our task is to put them in Inventor program into an assembly together in something that looks like this. And we'll turn this document in a document with your name on it and your name embossed on the final assembly at the end of it. As always, the first step is to get the actual puzzle piece IPT files, the part files. So we're going to download those from the Google's Classroom. We're going to create a folder in our H drive to put those puzzle cube pieces in, the IPT files that we download, and then we're also going to set up a project file in Inventor to access those parts and to save our assembly. So let's go ahead and get started. On the day you download yours, the post will probably look a little bit different. I'm working a little bit ahead, but we should find a folder that says Puzzle Cube for Students. I'm going to go ahead and open that. And these are not Google Docs, so you're not going to be able to open these initially. We need to actually open these in the Inventor program, so we have to download them. And the way we do that is we're going to go up here and we're going to click the download command. And it says preparing to download. It's zipping them all up. That means it's putting them in one file, and we'll use those. And it says 7 files zipped. Once it says that and we get that little check mark, we're good to go. So where did it put them? It defaults on our PCs to put them in the download folder. So we're going to go, I'll go ahead and minimize Chrome. We're going to go in here and I'm going to look for downloads. And we're looking for the file we just downloaded. And what was it called? Here was Puzzle Cube. It was Puzzle Cube for Students though. So maybe it has one of these files with these names on it here. I've downloaded it before, so I have 2. So we'll go ahead and we'll copy it. You should just have one. And we're going to momentarily put it on the hard drive, or on the desktop rather. So we'll paste it there. And we'll do that. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to open that. I said open that. Just doing that. Puzzle Cube for Students. These are the files that we want. So I'm going to click. And I'm going to go just down, Shift. I hit Shift and clicked it all through there. I'm going to copy those. Right, minimize that. Actually, now we're going to set up our folder in the H drive. I'm going to go down to my H drive, IED, Inventor, and here's where we want to set up our new one. So I right-click inside of all my Inventor stuff, New Folder. We'll call it Puzzle Cube. We're going to go into there. It's empty right now, but we're going to paste what we just downloaded in there. And we should get 5 pieces and a couple video or animations maybe to help us out. So black part, blue piece, orange piece, red piece, and yellow piece we're going to put together. Great, they're all there. Now we need to tell Inventor where we're going to work and where we're going to save our assembly. So I've opened up Inventor. I have my files saved in the H drive in my Puzzle Cube folder. Now I need to specify the Inventor. And this is what a lot of people are forgetting. It's 2 steps. We downloaded the files into the H drive, and now we have to tell Inventor that we want to work with those files. So we're going to set up a project file again. We've done this. I've already actually got one set up, but I'm going to go through the process of how to set yours up on the H drive again. So we're going to do a new single user. Again, this is what we want to specify. H drive, what we just set up. Inventor, Puzzle Cube. Click that, and we'll go ahead and call this Puzzle Cube. Next, nothing from the library. Finish. Done. And now when I open up a project, it's going to be in Puzzle Cube, the H drive that I just set up, and let's just make sure that those files are there. Those files, those IPT files that we need are right there. So we're ready to roll, right? Watch the second video to get started on the assembly.